Mahakumbh Mela is the largest religious gathering in the world, deeply rooted in Hindu traditions and scriptures. It is a sacred festival that takes place every 12 years at four major locations in India: Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjain, and Nashik. Millions of devotees, saints, and spiritual seekers from around the world participate in this grand event to take a holy dip in the sacred rivers, believing it will purify their souls and grant them liberation, moksha. This article explores the history, significance, frequency, and scientific aspects of Mahakumbh, shedding light on why this festival holds an unparalleled place in Hindu culture. The origins of Mahakumbh Mela are deeply connected to the Samudra Manthan, churning of the ocean, a legendary event described in Hindu scriptures. According to this tale, both the Devas, gods, and Asuras, demons, churned the cosmic ocean to obtain the nectar of immortality, Amrit. When the pot of nectar emerged, a fierce battle ensued between the Devas and Asuras, each trying to claim it for themselves. To protect the Amrit, Lord Vishnu, in the form of Mohini, took control of the nectar and distributed it among the Devas. During this cosmic struggle, 4 drops of Amrit fell on 4 locations on earth: Haridwar, Prayagraj, Allahabad, Ujjain, and Nashik. These places became highly sacred, and it is believed that bathing in their rivers during the Kumbh Mela period cleanses one's sins and grants liberation. Mahakumbh Mela follows a 12-year cycle and is held at 4 different locations based on the positioning of celestial bodies. The timing of the festival is determined by astrological calculations, mainly involving the positions of Jupiter, Guru, and the Sun in different zodiac signs. Why is Mahakumbh celebrated? 1. Spiritual upliftment and liberation, moksha. According to Hindu beliefs, bathing in the holy rivers during Mahakumbh washes away sins and provides the path to moksha, liberation from the cycle of birth and death. The power of these rivers increases during the festival due to the unique planetary alignments, making them spiritually charged. 2. Religious significance. Mahakumbh Mela is an opportunity for saints, yogis, and devotees to gather and share their wisdom. It is a time of intense spiritual activities, including white heavy checkmark prayers and rituals performed by Hindu monks and scholars, white heavy checkmark discourses and debates on spiritual and philosophical topics, white heavy checkmark bhajans and kirtans that create a divine atmosphere. 3. Cultural and social importance. The festival is not just a religious event but also a symbol of India's rich cultural heritage. Millions of pilgrims from different parts of India and the world come together, fostering unity, devotion, and a sense of belonging. 4. Scientific and astrological aspects. Mahakumbha's timing is based on Vedic astrology, ensuring that planetary alignments maximize the spiritual benefits of the holy rivers. Additionally, research suggests that during this period, the Ganges River experiences increased levels of beneficial bacteria, which enhances its healing properties. Scientists believe that the combination of faith, environment, and ancient wisdom makes Mahakumbh a unique festival. Mahakumbh Mela is not just a festival, it is a spiritual confluence, a sacred tradition, and a cultural phenomenon that has been celebrated for thousands of years. Its grandeur, devotion, and deep-rooted faith make it an event of universal significance. Whether one believes in its religious aspects or sees it as an extraordinary social gathering, Mahakumbh remains a testament to the enduring spiritual quest of humankind. Triangular flagon post. Har Har Mahadev. Jai Ganga Maiya. Triangular flagon post.